is George Simmons. Been with MLC for 5 years. Been a machinist for almost 20 years, and also a little bit of background in quality control. Pretty excited about our Master3DGauge. I would like to show you some things that I've learned about that. So if you're wondering what is the Master3DGauge, the Master3DGauge is a complete inspection system that delivers a promise of rapid shop floor inspection in 3 easy steps. The Master3DGauge is designed for machine shops and mold makers that perform rapid shop floor inspections, first article inspections, and since it's portable, on the machine in-process checks. We opened up our CAD model in Mastercam, Verisurf in Mastercam, and what I'd like to do is, at this point in time, I don't need to see my GD&T information on the screen, so I'm going to get rid of it. We'll come back to the measure, and I'm going to put targets on my part for aligning it. I'll pick 4 targets, 4 on top, 2 on the front, 1 on the right side. This gives me basically a 3-2-1 alignment. Now I'll go to run the auto align. Verisurf prompts me to measure target 1. My CAD model is aligned with the actual part. I'll accept my report for the alignment. Mastercam jumps into measure, inspect, build. So what I can do is I can rub my probe across the surface, check it for its integrity against the solid model. Looks good. If I want to, I can create points for generating a report. I'll collect a few points on the surface of my part. That should be enough. I'm going to hit escape and exit the measure mode. Simply come up and hit reports. Top surface 3 is what I just checked. I'm going to hit report. There's my measurement report on the given points I took. Alright, just to prove the portability of our Master3DGauge, I'm going to go ahead and set the same demo part up on my desk in my office. And we do have the ability to communicate the wireless, and it has a battery pack, but I'm going to go ahead and hook it up for our demo. Okay, I'm back at my desk and I've turned my computer back on, and I've got my model with my alignment targets still on the model. I did delete my inspect points, but all I have to do is, after I've moved the arm and the part, is come up here and do the auto align. My alignment targets are there, so I'll tell the arm where my part is in space. My alignment looks like it's within tolerable limits, so I'll accept it. I'll go right into build. And it appears as though I'm aligned. Yep, that looks good. So I have a decent alignment, even though the gauge and the part moved, and I kind of like what I'm seeing.
That was easy.